Hey, Chris here. Thanks for joining me on this. What is the last video on the Audi Quattro build. My very first commission build, and I will be honest, I did feel the nerves on this. Especially with it being, a kit I've been given to give back to someone. Definitely felt a bit more nervous than what I've done for quite some time. But I've done it, and overall, I'm pretty happy with it. Absolutely. The main thing is if Lee is happy. So Lee, I hope you're happy with this, mate. I look forward to handing it over to you. Obviously, by the time this video goes live, you've already got it. So happy days. So there we are. One Audi Quattro from Tamiya in 1/24 scale. So what I want to do is first of all, I just want to point out some of the negative side of the project that I've had with this. I just think it's possibly due to age of the kit, a lack of skill in myself. But either way, it's together. And the first thing first, what I really want to point out is the decals. Now, it doesn't matter if it was the decals on the body, if it was the decals on the seats, or even the decals on the number plates. I just, couldn't get them to set and stay still. Normally you put your micro set on, you apply the decal, you wick away the excess. Once it's dry, you go back, apply some micro set, but they wouldn't just stick. They wouldn't adhere. That was one of the downsides, and it was quite tricky. Excuse me. Another one, it actually got me the most, to be honest, is the front bumper. So you've got what is the headlight, the headlight bar as such. Now it kind of like clips in to the front of the wing there. And once I'd got this side on, and like where the wing, the arch wing, there's like a very, very small, tiny flat tab where the bumper attaches, just sits on. So I put a thin bead of super glue on there, attach this side, that clicked in. Now this side wouldn't fit. So once I tried clipping that in, and as I pushed it in, it popped this side off, and it just caused a little bit of damage to the paintwork, unfortunately. Now I will be honest, because I am honest. I absolutely, all day long, honest with any issues I've got. I'm not sure if that has also caused an issue with the fitment of the bonnet. Now, as you can see, you've got a bit of a gap there. But I guess with this having the engine, you could probably just display it open. So, and it just literally clips on, and you've got two tabs at the back. The tabs just slide in, and you've got a hook where it just clips on to a point in there. So the engine, yeah, you have to say it was just half a tray. I was quite happy with how it turned out. Absolutely. I got to say as well, the colour choice on the wheels. I would have gone for a white, and I would never have thought of going gunmetal. But yeah, I think the gunmetal works on this colour really well. Yeah, really like it. Really like it. And with the interior, like I mentioned in the last video as well, now the interior's together, I was happy with that. Again, at age of the kit, I think starts to show again on the back. You see these, you've got these reflectors as such. Sorry, I get zoomed in. So if you had to paint them, there was no clear lens, there's no parts. It was just an indentation in the bumper, and you had to paint it. With the lights, obviously you can see the pins where they connect into the back. I think, again, it's an age thing. Obviously technology's come a long way since, and ideas and styles and stuff. So yeah, it's not perfect, but it's done. I'm happy with three wheels. I do like it very, very much. Fortunately, the paintwork, it was I managed to get a half decent clear coat down, and I only needed to sand the roof and the bonnet purely for any sort of bits of dust and debris and stuff. But the sides, excuse me, bar a few fingerprints. The sides had laid pretty well, so I didn't really need to touch those. But we did wet sand the top on it, wet sand the roof, and then once they'd been wet sanded and time when it comes to polishing, it was a whole body polished, so the whole thing shined. And there we have it. One nice and shiny paint job. So there we have it. Now, would I build this for myself? Do you know what? I probably would. And what I'd probably do is I'd not use the decals. Me being me, I'd probably try and find some Japanese ones anyway, Japanese plates, things like that. And I just like that, you know, the Japanese look. And I'd probably go for some maybe 5 or 6 spoke wheels in white, because that's just me. But I tell you what, probably would work pretty well. It's like a high gloss black. I think that would work pretty well on this sort of car and shape. So yeah, there we have it. One finished Audi Quattro. I do like it in this dark green, especially when it shines. It shows off that reflection. And there we have it. So yeah, once again, a massive thank you to Lee for this opportunity to be able to say I finally done my first commission build. So yeah, thank you very much, mate. I really appreciate it. And for everyone at home watching these videos, I really appreciate the support. Everyone watching, the likes, the comments, the shares, and everything else. So to you all, thank you once again, and take care of yourselves, and we'll see you on the next one for a very, very, very big project. Take care. All the best.